So yesterday I tried to explain you a little bit around the extension of the files which we are using in Python. So right now I'm working with a file which is called as test.ipynb. So when you want to execute your code line by line, okay, then you can create a file with an extension named as ipynb. What it will do is it will not, so even if I write anything here, right, let's say I write a is equal to 2 plus 2, okay, I can execute these line by line. So I will execute this as a first and then this as a first, so this one block will be executed at a time, okay. But if I create a file like this with .py extension, the complete code will run, okay. So so if I have any lines like a is equal to 10 here, like b is equal to, or let's say I have printf statements, print hello and then hello one. So what it will do is, what this extension will do is, this will tell the Python like the user wants to execute this complete code as a one file, as a single project, okay. And here in ipynb file, what I'm telling is I am executing in parts, okay. I want to execute only the first part, only the, let's say only the first print, okay, or only the second print, that's it. So here if I show you the output of pyth, and I think I'm in the right directory. So if I show you, so the way you execute a .py file is you type Python and the name of the file. If you click enter, so it's executing simultaneously both the lines. If I execute the same, I'm copying this code. So by the way, if you noticed, these lines are ignored by Python here. See, only you are getting hello and hello one. If I go here and if I type this here, if I remove this and if I put it here, if you see, if I click on this button, right, only you will get one output. See, you got only hello one. So this is an individual block which we're executing, and then if I click here, I'm getting hello. So individually I can run. So individual block functionality I can understand. So for understanding, it's very easy when we are working with test.ipynb. In terms of functionality wise, apart from executing it individually, there is no other difference in terms of execution. I mean, it's not like if you create a .py file and if you create a code, it will execute a little bit faster or something like that. No, it's just the approach. You want to execute line by line, or you want to execute one complete at once. So right now, whatever the examples I will give you, whenever we are working with core fundamentals, you will see all the files with .ipynb, because we want to understand the blocks the way you understand English, right? First you understand the simple words like at, the, okay, places like this word single line comments. You are understanding individual, right? And then you make a sense out of complete line. So in case we want to make sense out of a complete code, we can try and execute this. For individual block, we will use this extension. Other than that, there is no core functionality difference.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.